Hello, my little bunnies. It's your buddy or pal, DNA Bunny here, to show you another video. Now, this video is me showing you guys what I got in the mail today from eBay and showing you guys what's inside my Blackpink blind box, what I got for my birthday. So let's get started, shall we? And by the way, I hope you guys are all having a good day and taking care of yourselves and being safe. I know I'm having a good day. I always have a good day on Saturdays. But, you know, I love this season for Christmas. Well, this is blood pressure medicine. That's for my friend. So I'm going to put that to the side. Now, I'm excited about this. Look, Eva has a little teddy bear sticker on it. That is very cute. But like I said, I'm very excited because I love the holidays, especially Christmas. It really does make me happy. I really enjoyed it very much. Oh, this is cute. I got another Stray Kids plush mascot. Now, all I need is one more and it'll be completed. Let's let this guy out so he can join his friends, which I will reunite him with his friends probably after this video or maybe before the video. So this is pretty cool. Isn't that cute? So that's nice. And it also came with these cute stickers. This teddy bear with a heart. I think that is so cute. This teddy bear wearing a sweater. That's cute too, because I also like teddy bears. And this one with the teddy bear phone, which is pretty cute too. Now, let's get started on the box for Blackpink. Let's see. Now, hopefully I could get it open properly than what I did last time, because I almost like broke the box. So hopefully I just gonna take my time and open it slowly. So bear with me, because it's a little, what you call, snug inside there. I thought it'd be a little bit easier to open, but no. But like I said, I'm gonna try to do better this time. Because I mean, last time I was showing you guys a little sneak peek of what was inside here, and I actually tore the side right here, but I could tape it back with tape, so that's a good thing. Now I'll just carefully get this out. Takes a little time and a little patience, and it will be open. In the meantime, like I said, I just hope you guys are having a good day and taking care of yourselves and being safe and enjoying this holiday. And I hope you guys are able to do your Christmas shopping, those who celebrate Christmas. And be careful out there, because you know, during the Christmas time, a lot of crazy things happen. People get very impatient. But you know, when I was in Williamsburg, everybody was in a very good mood. And everybody had good attitudes and everything. And everybody loved the outfits me and my mom were wearing. So it was like a very nice place to be. Like, if I had a choice, if I had the money, I would definitely move down there myself. Because that is the place to be. They're so laid back. And everybody's just so nice to each other. Better than here. Because around here, they're not as nice and patient. But you know, it's okay. All right, finally got it open. This is what it looks like with the plastic they had put on there. Now I'm going to remove the plastic. Okay, this is what it looks like inside. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm going to pull everything out so you guys can see. First up, got a little, look like a cookie, notepad. So that's cute. I like that. We got some mini photo cards. Let's check them out, shall we? You know, it's so funny. I was just looking at a sweatshirt that had this picture on it right here. I think that is so cute. And of course the back is nothing really to see. It's just a blank. And here they are doing a performance. Looking cute in their outfits as usual. And making little cute little faces. And here they are again with another concert or video. And I like it how they always have different hairstyles. And they always have different ways of showing different personalities and everything. And you can like never get bored because they always have something new. Like each picture is so different. And I think that's cute. And I like this one because they like in the balloons, having a good time. Oh, this is a cute one too. They look like little angels. Hope you guys can see that okay. And let's see. Hold on, they're stuck together. There we go. And here's another one. There were colorful outfits. And here's another one. Look like they're doing a celebration or somebody's birthday. That's cute too, with their flowers. And here's another one. That's cute as well. I like these little pictures. Here's another one. And now we're back at the beginning. So I'll put this back in the little case that it was in. Little plastic case. So it won't get messed up. Okay, let's see here. What next am I going to show you guys? This is very exciting too. That I didn't expect this to be like a little blind box, gift box. I just thought it was just gonna be like another photo what was it? Photo book album. I didn't expect all this nice things. This was a nice surprise. And everything's in mint condition, which I like as well. Okay, put this to the side with the cookie one. I don't know what this was supposed to be, but okay, we're just gonna put that aside. Oh, it also came with some stickers. Liz, Rose, and Jenny, and JoJo. See? And the holographic too. I like this. I really like this a lot. Okay, empty case. Maybe this is like for if you want to put your photo cards in or something. So that's nice. Ooh, this is cute. A Lisa sorry. Lisa keychain. Sorry, I didn't mean to call her Liz. Sorry about that. I know people gonna say, it's Lisa. And I do apologize. But that is so cute. I don't know what that's supposed to be. And this is another Lisa. I think it's more picture cards. Let me see. Okay, first one. Holding a, look like a little card or something. Looking so cute. Oh, I like this one. This is cute too. Her with her little blue hoodie, holding her little cat, and look like a little cloud background. And the purple and blue goes good together. I like that a lot. Here's another one. That's cute. Oh, this one's cute too. I like this one. She has like all pink and she has like a heart background and she's doing a heart shape with her face. And she has these little cute little ponytails. Oh, and I meant to show you guys what the back looks like. They're like colors that just have her name on it. Oh, and this one's cute too. Her with her pink hat. This one she had her short hair and a pink background, which is so cute with a little bit of yellow in it. Oh, and this one's cute too. This is another one with her with the heart background, except for this is blue, and she has a little, no, actually she doesn't have her ponytails there. She just has her hair out with her jean jacket, which that is so cute. And here's another one of her wearing like, I think it's like, she's wearing like the sleeve, you know, you could wear those separate sleeves with, look like a spaghetti pink strap shirt with her little pink tails sitting near the stairs and with another pink background, which is cute. I like that. And here's another one of her with her short hair with her plaid shirt on, which is cute. And then now it's back to the beginning. And so let me put this back. So far, I'm really happy about what I got. I think it's pretty nice. Remove some what you call it? What's it called? I forgot what it's called, but I just removed that. Oh, and Elisa magazine. And this is what the back looks like. That is so pretty. Let's see what's inside the magazine. Let's see a quick pictures. Open it up for you guys. This is really nice. Oh, I didn't notice she has little bunny ears on here, on this one. One on her black. And this one on the back, she's wearing her pearls with braids with her ponytail. She looks so cute there. Let's see. Is this the beginning? I think this is the beginning. Yep, and there she is right here. This is all about her because this is her magazine. There she is laying on one side. And the other side, she's wearing like, look like some type of like gold hat. I forgot what they call those. But she looks good in it though. Oh, this one looks good too. I like this one. Her with the long braids. And she's wearing like red. Look like it's like one of those like bandana material like. But except for this is like, look like it's made out of silk or something. Sorry about the glare. So I think that's pretty cool. Oh, and this is her with her short hair. Wearing her little t-shirt. So that's cool. Here's another one of her. On this side, she's wearing a skirt with a little, like, plaid sleeveless shirt. And the other one's, like, striped shirt with some shorts, which is so cute. And here's another one of her with short hair, wearing her black dress with, like, little, look like little, like, silver sparkles on it. And I think that's cute. And here's another one where she's performing. And this side too. Another one for performing. And here she is with that same outfit with the bunny ears. And on the side, look like she's about to perform because you see her with a microphone on. And that this is just her taking a regular pose. Looking so sweet and innocent. And then you got this one, more formal, with her pearl necklace. And then you got this one. She's wearing a nice little hat. Her short hair, blue shirt. With look like some type of like flower necklace with diamonds, which is cute. And I love the way she smiles. She has this innocent face smile. It's so cute. And here's some more of her. I really like this magazine. It's so beautiful. And I love the way she's taking these pictures. She looks gorgeous in all these outfits and all these hairstyles. They all do, though, tell you the truth. And here's another one for her. And this one. Oops. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is the one where she had braids with the colorful jacket. And the other side, she's just sitting down. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is cute. She's wearing some braids here with a hat or a white shirt. And this one, she's posing with ice cream. That's cute. And I like the artwork in here, too. How they captured these photos. And then this, too. Wow, she looks so young there. Well, she is still young, but I think this is when she was, like, younger in her teenage days. Or it could be when she got older, because, you know, they take very good care of themselves. So sometimes they might look really, really like teenagers, but actually adults, like, in their 20s and stuff. Because they really do take good care of themselves. And their makeup really, really looks good on them. That one was with her with like sequins or something with braids. Half braids and half hair out with pearl necklace and diamonds on one side. I think she's wearing like either a jean skirt or a jean shorts with a spaghetti strap. And a one sleeve. Let's see. And here's a better picture where you can see all the details. Okay, and then this one reminds me of Egypt a little bit. Because the way she's dressed in the gold and stuff and has that hat. Looks so royalty. And here's a separate picture thing. You could actually detach these. There's one where she looks like she's like a CO. And another one where she's just having fun, having ice cream. And the other one, she's like licking a spoon, like she just had something very delicious. And she looks very happy in it. And, of course, the other side, looking like down here, Egypt princess. And then right here, she has her silver sparkling. So that's pretty cool. Is it more to this? Let me see. Yep, it is. We got, uh-oh, the book closed. All right, got it. Got this picture right here. And this one. Of course, I already showed you these. And got these I already showed you. And then you got these down here, which is pretty cute. And then on the back, it has like, I guess, all the songs and stuff. So that's pretty cool. Put that back the way it was. And I got a couple more to show you guys. Okay, this is her wearing a white dress and with a dog. And another one with her red shoes with her leg up, doing a pose. And this one she's laying down. I don't know if I did this backwards or not, but if I did, oh well. Because it really doesn't matter. As long as they're showing the pictures and everything and the whole magazine. Because everything, like I said, everything all in through is pretty cool. And it looks very good. And then she's posing with ice cream. Look like she's like on Korean drama or something. And there's the spoon picture again. And her holding some more ice cream that matches her shirt. Her hair up. And there's that picture again. And she reminded me kind of like an undercover cop too. And there we go. I don't know if this was the beginning or that was the end. I can't tell. I think maybe I did it backwards. But that was the magazine. Okay. We also have some more pictures. This one with her long hair. And let's open it, shall we? This was a good idea to get this for my birthday. Even though I wasn't planning on getting it for my birthday. But I did glad I got it. Because I am really enjoying this very much. Okay, that's this picture. Got this one. Like I said, I'm trying to hurry up through because there's still more stuff to see. This one, her trying on lipstick. Got this one. Oh, she looks so cute with this on. With her polka dot with white dress. That's so cute. And she's holding like a nice little flower. I like that. And she has a little cute little white bow on. And here's another picture of her. This one with the ice cream. And then this one. She looks so cute in this one. And she's doing like a little wink. That's cute. And there she is right there. Here's another one. This one's cute too. Her holding flowers. Another ice cream one. Her laying down. Another one where she's sitting. Oh, this one's cute. She's wearing this nice flower dress with pink and blue. This one she's wearing like pink with a flower in her hair, which is so pretty. Her holding a lollipop. There's her with that flower dress on again. And this time she's holding a pink teddy bear, which is cute. With a nice little background color. This one. And then you got this one. Holding a lollipop, winking. Then you got this one. This one. This one with a Barbie. It's black and white, which is still cute. This one with the flower dress again with the stuffed animal. And this one. Okay, try not to ruin the pages. This one. This one. Flower background. And last but not least, this one. Now let me put these back together because I don't want them to get ruined because they're so thin. And I'm going to put them right back in the plastic because I try to keep my things neat especially stuff like this. Because you want stuff to stay in mint condition, you gotta definitely take care of your things. Oh no, I think my foot is falling asleep. I'm gonna have to get up soon and do a little stretch before I continue with the rest of this stuff. I got so many other things to show you guys in here. Like I said, it's a lot of fun stuff in here. And I'm glad I'm able to share it with you. Because like I said, this is my first time actually going through it. Because like I said, when I showed you guys a sneak peek, I said I'll wait until I got back from vacation to show you guys the rest. And that's what I did. That's what I always do. When I say I'm going to wait to show you guys, I always wait. Even though I could just look through it and then later on show you guys. But no, I like this. Like I said, I like to show this stuff with you together. So, hold on, you guys. I'm going to stretch out my leg. Because my leg and foot fell asleep. You guys know how that is. Okay, and then we got this. I think these are like little postcards. So I think this is pretty cool as well. Like I said, you get a lot in this box. You really do. You really get your money's worth. And it wasn't that bad. I think I just only paid like 20 to 30. So that's not bad at all. And this is not bad for, being eBay. Because everything looks like everything was just brand new. Sorry if you say I saw my foot. I was trying to stretch out my leg. Because like I said, my leg fell asleep. And just get the circulation back in there while I'm trying to open this. I might, you know what? I might just stand up. If you hear bells, it's because my outfit has bells. And so does my headband. I'm wearing like this little elf outfit. And I'm wearing like leggings with lights on them. So I'm going to walk around just a little bit. Because like I said, my foot fell asleep. And I wanted to wake up. Because, if you don't get up properly, you just sit there, you're going to make it worse because it's going to be harder for you to get up, or you might not be able to use your leg if you don't get up. So that's what I did. I'm having trouble opening this. It's not opening like it's supposed to. Come on. There we go. Finally got it open. Not trying to ruin the thing. Come on. Alright, finally got it open. Ouch. Hold on. I'm sitting on bells. Okay, that's much better. Now I can continue with the box. Let's see, how do I open this without ruining it? I think it's open this way. I hope so. Now I'm going to go quickly through this because like I said, I got more to show you guys. So you got this card. This one. And this is what the back looks like in case you guys were curious. And you can detach these because there's a dotted line right here. So if you want to have personal pictures or anything like that, you can. Got this. This one. This one. This one. This one. Like I said, these are really cute pictures. I really like this. This was a big surprise. this one. This one with her shades on. This one. And this one. Got this one with her performing. Another one. She has her long hair. I think this one could be another one where she's performing on modeling. And she has short hair. But I tell you, she looks good with long hair or short hair. Or braids or whatever she's doing. She always looks so good. And she has, like I said, that nice cute face. This one has been signed. See a little signature. And then you got the little minis. They feel like stickers or something, but these are all Lisa. This one with the white cat. She looks so cute. And then this one with the I guess brown and white cat. Oh, this one's cute. Her with the dog. That's cute. Her, the hat. Another one. Her hat look like she's at the beach or somewhere, or like a mountain background. Here's another one. And here's another one of her with like wearing white and another different hairstyle. This one. Okay, this one. This one. This one. Back at the beginning, you can see. So that was pretty good. I like that. That was good. Let me put this back the way I had it. Or actually, the way they had it. Put it in here. So this is good. I definitely would get some more of these like this. I really like this. Maybe I'll try to get the other members as well. Okay. What else we got? A Lisa bag. It's got a little folded because that way they had to put it in the box. So that's pretty good. A Lisa bracelet band with little hearts. And this one looked like it's a mini keychain because here's a little B part. What else? Look like these are like just mini stickers. I don't know what these are supposed to be. And then you got another list. I think this might be a sticker and it has a holographic back. Ooh. And it also comes with a CD, which is nice, with a little crown on it. Some more, look like a Lisa book. And that's what it looked like there. Okay, so this is like, you could like write in here and stuff. But that is pretty cool. I like that. So it's pretty nice. Maybe I use it, but it looks so cute. And that's what the back looks like. I think this is like something vanilla scented fragrance. It smells pretty good. It comes with a little Lisa button with her with the polka dot dress. And this is, looks like a ring and a Lisa bracelet. That's pretty cool. A mini picture in the background. I think that's what that plastic case was for. And this is cute. A little VIP card, which is very cute. And then looks like this is a ring, but it got bent. Or it's supposed to be something. I don't know. Another Lisa pen. I guess they gave me two because this one is kind of like a little broke, as you can see. So that's fine. And I see they gave me a... Sorry about that. That's my phone. Somebody's calling once again on my video. So sorry about that, you guys. It looked like this broke. Or it's supposed to be like this. I don't know. But that's okay. And then you got another Lisa card. And this looked like they added some washi tape. See that? And another Lisa band. And a pen. And this book that has all the members on it. Let's see what's inside real quick. And I think that'd be the last thing that was in this box. And so that looks like. This is what the back looks like. And I'm just going to go right through it real quick. Let's see. I think this is the beginning. And this is all the members. I hope this video is not too long for you guys as well. I just wanted to show you everything was in this box. And all the pictures and stuff. Because I like to show you guys everything. So you know, in case you want this or you already have it, you know what you're getting inside. Those who don't have it. Especially if you like, you Lisa, a black pink fan. This is something you really enjoy very much. And these are like, I guess, lyrics. Oh, this is cute. Her holding a Care Bear. 2 Care Bears. And here it is for all the Care Bears and some other colorful stuffed animals, which is very cute. She reminds me like a little kid smiling. This one, roses. This one. Got this one with Care Bears and the flowers. Again, Care Bears with a different outfit, which is cute. This one, flowers in a different outfit. Here it is, another cool picture. Like I said, they really take really good pictures. And they really do look good. Not just like as for artists, for like models, and just being beautiful all together. And like I said, I love their hairstyles. I love the way they dress and everything. Each and every one of them looks so cute and innocent. And they put a lot of hard work into this stuff. That's why I always say, I really do congrats all of these people, all of these artists, male and female, are doing such hard work, doing what they do, and to be able to do all this stuff. Because like I said, this is a lot of work. It's a lot of things to do to be in businesses like this. Okay, that was it. That's the last was in my box. I hope you liked what I showed you guys. I just wanted to share that with you guys because, you know, you guys are special to me. Like I always tell you guys. And when I have something good, like gifts or mail or anything, I just want y'all guys to be the first to see it. And share the experience with me. Because I just like doing that. I like sharing things with you guys. Because you guys like some of the things I like. And you guys seem to be interested. So I said, why not show you guys, you know? Even though sometimes it makes my videos long. But it's worth it, though, because you get to see what I get to see. And you get to see my reaction when I open it and stuff. How surprised I was. Because I was very surprised that all this came in the box. I didn't expect all this. That's why I said this was a big surprise to me. I thought I was just getting, like I said, photo cards with photo album. I didn't expect to get magazines and pictures, full pictures at that, and keychains and all this other stuff. So this was pretty nice. I really did enjoy this very much, and I'm glad I was able to share it with you guys. And I hope you guys liked this video. If you do, please hit the like button. And if you want to, you guys can subscribe. And I hope you all take care of yourselves and be safe. And have a good day or a good night. And thank you for watching. And I love you guys. Let me see, my dog want to say bye. Let me get up. She's hiding in the cover. So let's go see. She's probably taking a nap. Let's see, we can find her. Yep, she's in the cover. There she is. We're going to let her sleep. So good night, everybody. Okay, you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you, and bye-bye.